Breaking news coming in. Sources have indicated the next meeting between India and China militaries on the line of actual control standoff is going to be held on 12th of October. This is just coming in. This is going to be the 7th round of talks between the two nations. That's the latest coming in as far as the India-China standoff is concerned. My colleague Shiv, who's breaking the story, is joining us on the phone line. Shiv, you've got India and China working for the past many weeks to keep truce, but uncertainty still remains in terms of what could perhaps be the outcome of this meeting and whether China or not can be trusted or, after this meeting is done with.
Chaiti, once again, breaking the story first here in India today, that the next round of talks, that's the 7th round of military-level co-commander talks will take place on the 12th of October. It's very likely that the date has been agreed upon by both sides. It's going to be the 7th round of talks, and like you rightly said, there has definitely been a measure of despondency about any forward movement. The Indian side is being extremely practical, pragmatic about whether any disengagement can take place in the foreseeable future, as we've reported, because of China's complete duplicity between talks and actions on the ground. The last round of talks, there was one takeaway where both sides had agreed not to send more troops or equipment to the front lines. That appears to have held up pretty okay, even though there is no reason to trust China even a little bit anywhere along the eastern Ladakh frontier. But the other important thing, Chaiti, is that October the 12th will be just a few days before a change of guard in the 14th Corps in Leh. So Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, who is the Corps commander, this will be the last meeting that he leads at the delegation level before he hands over charge to his successor, Lieutenant General P.G.K. Menon, who, if you remember, was also there in the last meeting, and he will be there in this one as well, Jet.
And Shiv, if the disengagement plan that both the sides are planning to talk about cannot be worked out, will the troops of both the countries be staying deployed on the mountains in Ladakh?
For the foreseeable future, yes, that appears to be the case, Chaiti. India had quite some time ago planned for this kind of eventuality, so it's not like it's a surprise. High-altitude deployments at many of these heights in eastern Ladakh is something that the Indian Army had begun preparing for as far back as June, July itself, because they had already accounted for and war-gamed the possibility that the Chinese, were talking with two voices and had no plans of actually withdrawing from those areas. So rest assured, as far as the Indian public is concerned, the Indian Army has been prepared. They've got their logistics and equipment supply lines set. They've got excellent experience functioning at those heights. It's extremely difficult, and it isn't a situation that any side would actually want, but that's the kind of adversary we're facing right now. So the Indian Army is completely up to the job. They are planning to remain deployed at those heights with no compromise whatsoever.
Absolutely. Shiva, we're breaking the story first here on India Today, on India-China meeting on 12th of October. That is what sources are indicating. Both countries, rather India is trying to keep truce, but uncertainty still remains in the back of China, really showing a high level of duplicity, shifting goal.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.